Alrighty, let's go over how to draw Donatello from the Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem. It's gonna be simple, easy for beginners, okay? So let's go through it together. I'm gonna go right here and I'm gonna draw the top curve of his head. Slight curve down. Alright. And so his mask is gonna have like a little bit of a V shape in the middle for kind of just the shape of his eyes there. The shape of the mask wrapping around the eyes, so pull it out. Down right here. And we're gonna put the same thing on the other side. Out. Curve down here. Curve down here. All right. I'm gonna keep it going downward here on the left side. Over here. And then downward over here on this right side to kind of catch the bottom of the mask. All right. Curve underneath. Up. Down. All right. So far, so good. So far, so good. And now I'm going to go over here to this side and continue the bottom left side of this kind of mouth. And down right here. Going to curve downward here for the lower portion of the face. Cross. And then curve over here. So far, so good. If you're following easily, hit the like button right now. It's going to let me know what to do more of the channel. If you like the Ninja Turtle stuff, I'm going to add a lot more Ninja Turtle stuff if you hit that like. All right, going to go right here, line. Over here, line. Downward over here, straight. And it's going to curve up on the side. So it's going to kind of those straight, it's like a kind of like 3 straight lines curved around. That's kind of the way I would describe it personally. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw the eye curve right there for the inner eye. Curve right here for the inner eye. Out, down. And curve underneath. Out, down. Curve underneath. Okay. Line over here. Line over here, kind of like some scratches. Well, not really scratches, but kind of like some texture, you know. I noticed that the really cool thing about Mutant Mayhem is they have these kind of textures because it's 3D. They look really good. Okay, so let's go over here and draw the eyes in the center. Like so. And center right here. We're going to draw another little circle right there for the highlight. And another little circle right here for the highlight. Kind of cute looking. Speaking of cute, do you know how to draw cute stuff? If you don't, there's a free ebook in the description. It's a gift from me to you. Used to be something I sold, but now it is a free gift. So go take a look at that in the description. You'll know how to draw cute stuff forever and how to turn your favorite characters into cute characters using that ebook. It's totally free and in the description. Line over here, across the brow right there, and another line right here. And we're gonna fill in this dot to kind of make it more bold. So there's something specific about Donnie here, about Donatello. He has glasses over his mask, which is really funny. Also, you could kind of draw the curve right here for the end of the mask, as you know, the back of the mask, line right there. Down, tied up. And down right there, up. Gonna go over here. Line right there. Go around the corner here, down. Curve around the corner right here. We're actually drawing the lenses of the glasses that he wears, right? That's a very distinct thing. He's the only turtle that does that. And I want to make sure not to get in the way of the mask, right? Because you don't want it to kind of not, you know, go well with the design. So around this level. Gonna go over here now, pull line right there. Curve line over here. Downward here. It's going to curve in just a bit. And then right here and right there. We don't want it to be mistaken for another line, right? We want to have that distinct line going a certain direction. All right. Curve over here. Same thing on this side. Let's thicken this out just a bit. Gonna keep it distinctive. Curve over here, out, and curve over here. Make this a little bit bigger on the side and a little bit bigger over here. Let's throw a couple of more details on him. So maybe some thin scratches like here along the side, maybe over here. We try to make these thinner though to make it look more like a, you know, just like a simplistic design. You want to give it detail and texture very similar to the way, you know, the cartoon did, the CG cartoon. But throwing in little line marks like that, like here, a couple of places is gonna be good, especially right here, I guess in the folds of the eye area, just a bit. But not too much, because you're gonna end up aging the character. Share the video. It's a huge deal. If you enjoy this, share the video anywhere and stick around. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.